leave without any reason. I don't expect your calls, won't even wait too long. But I can try to speak, 'cause everything is better with you and me. It won't be temporary, I'm sure that I'll be there. But who knew that the moment before this ends, I'll know that there's always tomorrow again.
Super rainy. Look how cloudy it is. It's insane. Super rainy day. Super crazy. Hi, good morning, you guys. It is Dinah, and today I am going to do an unboxing of my new MacBook Air M3 13-inch laptop. So this is my first laptop ever. I've used other people's laptops before, but this is my first time purchasing one of my own. And obviously, since I'm taking content creation more seriously, I needed to be able to just get work done anytime, anyplace, anywhere, and just, dish out this content like I need to. So it came like this. This is how it comes in this box. That's my makeup from when I grabbed it after doing my makeup one day. And you just pull here to open. There we go. Okay, you guys. It's like it's Christmas morning. I love that. I might keep this box. I like keeping boxes because you can always reuse them to wrap gifts. Some's already wrapped up. And the color, what? I'm annoyed. I wanted that Stardust color, which is supposed to be like yellowish. And he gave me this. It looks silver. This is not the color in the store. And he was standing right there, so I wanted the Stardust color. Let me read the box. MacBook Air 13-inch M3 chip, 8 gigs unified memory, 256 gigs SSD. Okay, they're not telling me what color it's in, so that's lame. Okay, so that's lame. It doesn't say what color it came in. And I clearly asked for dark Stardust. So that's probably why he just grabbed it, because it doesn't say on the box what color it is. But yeah, so in the box, it has the charger, and I will charge it because it's probably not been charged. And a little handy dandy book of everything you need to know, and some stickers. Don't see myself using them. See, this is not the Stardust color. This is just gray, and that's lame. Like, I don't want no silver gray. It's boring. I think that's it. Yeah, it doesn't even tell you what color. That's so weird. Why would you offer different colors and then not have the name of the color on the box? That's probably why you just grabbed it, because there's no name. But yeah, this is a really thick cord. Alright, anyway. And then I have to open up these packages. Oh, I'm just opening it. So it opens like this, and it already came on. this little thing. Saying hello in all these different languages. Alright, now I have to pick my language is English. I am in the United States. I guess I'll just do this with you guys. I gotta put my Wi-Fi code in. Good morning, diary readers. It's Dinah, and I'm getting ready to unbox more Amazon packages. This big old little thing is for that tiny person. I'll probably keep this for her to play with. Yeah. watch it. Got it. Good, y'all. Look at all this. Okay. Woo. Be careful. Back up. Good up, girl. Stop. Come on. Wait, baby. You gotta stop.
I'm scared of showing up. I'll miss the regular weekends. Don't tell me way too much. I never know if you mean it. Can't seem to get involved. I'll leave without any reason. I don't expect your calls, won't even wait too long. But I can try to speak, 'cause everything is better with you and me. It won't be temporary, I'm sure that I'll be there. But who knew that the moment before this ends, I'll know that there's always tomorrow again.
I'm trying to show you all the things in my head. I wanna be something you wouldn't regret. On lonely nights, the lows, the highs, I know. I want no one else beside me, but I'm not sure if I am ever enough. The way I feel ain't something that I give up. Don't know how to show it. Wanna give it my all for you. I know it's better with you and me. It won't be temporary, I'm sure that I'll be there. But who knew that the moment before this ends, I know that there's always tomorrow with you and me. It won't be temporary, I'm sure that I'll be there. But who knew that the moment before this ends, I know that there's always tomorrow again. That there's always tomorrow again.
Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Come on, baby. going? Bye, big girl. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding, Ashley. Come on. Come on, boo. I'm leaving. Come on, let's go. Come on. Good job. Come on. Uh-oh. This way. We're leaving. We're gonna leave you. Come on. I'm ready to go. Come on. Come on, babe. Uh-oh. I'm ready. Let's go. Aston, come here to me. Come on. Wrong way. Good afternoon, you guys. It is Dinah, and of course I'm feeding Aston. We went to her dentist, her very first dentist appointment this morning at 10:30, but we were 10 minutes late simply because I was like moving slow getting ready this morning, not utilizing my time. But anywho, so after that we stopped at Starbucks so I can, get some beverages for myself. And then we stopped at Whole Foods to get some more water. Starbucks had another new drink. Like, I feel so bad. Like, I do not want to become hooked and addicted. Like, I do not want to become a Bucky's head. But I saw 2 new drinks that they had. One online when I was at the hair salon because I ordered Starbucks from Uber Eats. You know how I like the matcha oat milk lavender cream foam drink. They had the iced one, so they had just the lavender matcha frap. And I tried it that day, so that was Monday. That was Monday, which is 2 days ago. It was delicious. Came with whipped cream, and so today I kind of wanted that, but I had seen they had like these red, white, and blue themed drinks, like refreshers, like berry refreshers, but they were made to look like, like red, white, and blue blow pops. And so I tried one, the lemonade one. It's fire. It's like really crazy good. And it has like little red boba beads in there. If you don't know, boba is a bite-sized chewy tapioca pearl. It's a gelatin found in boba tea. Oh my goodness. But it's so delicious and refreshing. Like, my favorite drink is a matcha frap with some lavender. But since it's like getting warm out, I keep getting refreshers because I'm like, it's too hot for a frap. So that's why I get both. I get a frap and a refresher. So I'll drink the refresher when I'm outside and drink the frap when I'm inside. I got my venti matcha frap with oat milk, 2 vanilla bean powder, 3 matcha tea powders. No, lavender. Right, they wrote it wrong. So yeah, this is what I got. You guys, I just paid off all of my debt. Now, I will say I should have looked at my notes first because Aston's dad had like some time ago already written out like the amounts that I should pay. Like, when you're paying off debt, you don't necessarily have to pay it in full. Like, if it's been a while, it's been years. My dad is like super old, like 6 years or more. So he gave me the amounts that I should pay for each account, like the max, like don't go over this amount. I didn't read his notes until the end for like the most massive amount that was on my credit score. I did that one right. Like I didn't pay the full amount, but the other ones, because like they were so low, like they were only like $200 to $400, like they were so low, I just paid them in full. And in his notes he's like, don't pay more than this, you know, like don't go over 150 for this one, don't go over 200 max. And I'm like, I should have looked at the notes first, but I just wanted to hurry up and get it done because, you know, I'm getting ready to get my own car, my own place. Aston and I are going to be living in our own home together, and I want to be able to have my options. So I wish I had looked at the notes first. But like I said, it's like petty cash. It's like all of those small amounts were like a little over $1,000 for all of the small amounts. So it's like, yeah, but I could have saved some money. Instead, like, I really don't know why I did that. I wish I had read his notes. But for the bigger amount, it was like over $3,700, and that's the major one. Like when I was looking for housing, that was the main reason why I couldn't get in the nice places that I wanted to get in, because they like, yeah, like your credit score is like decent and you have the income to live here, but you got a lot of derogatory marks on your credit score. And I had an eviction on mine. It was a voluntary eviction, but still, like, it's on the credit score, like they just see eviction. They don't care that you elected to be evicted. Like they don't care about the story. So that was why a lot of the places were like, no. And so now I got that all taken care of. So next month my credit score is gonna be, I can't wait. I can't wait to see how, like, it's probably gonna be in the 7s, you guys. Like, and you need at least a 600 to get into decent places, like when you're renting. And honestly, I could have gone to the bank to just get a mortgage and buy a house, but I'm not ready for that. Like, because I know if I buy a house, I'm going to want to renovate it. And I'm not ready for all that. Like, I have so much going on. Like, my main focus is separation from, you know, Aston's dad. Like, seclusion, separation, holiness, being transformed, remade, maturing, and growing. So I need my own space so that I could properly grow and mature like I need to, so that God could do what he needs to do with me, through me, in me, for me, all of that. But I was just, you guys, I just feel so grown up and mature and responsible. I'm like, I'm paying off debt. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. So just remember, if y'all got some debt, don't be scared of no debt collectors. Like me, I was never scared of debt collectors. I was just like, I'm going to ignore y'all until I'm in a position to pay. For years, I've been in a position, but I just, you know, out of sight, out of mind. That's why it's like, I wish I had taken it seriously sooner, because I had the money years ago. And I literally, like, when I was staying with Aston's dad, I wasn't paying no bills up in here. I should have paid that off. But like I said, like, I was comfortable and I like didn't care about anything. If I had paid it off sooner, then I would have been able to move into my own place when the time presented itself. But it's okay. We just got 30 more days left. And then my credit score gonna be and then I'm going to be able to move wherever I want. And they're gonna be like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And that's when I'm going to get my new car. So yeah, God is working, God is moving. I'm being responsible. I'm being a grown woman, an adult, paying bills, clearing debt. Ooh, there we go. Ah, crap. Ooh, there we go. Beautiful day. Aston has fallen asleep. We went for a really long walk. Now we are heading back. I met up with my mommy friend. She just called me last minute and was like, hey, you wanna go for a walk? And I'm like, yeah, because it's a nice day. Like, obviously we went out earlier today, but it's still nice out. So I was happy that she called, because I was like, yeah, I was already thinking about taking her back out. So she fell asleep now. So I'm about to go back home and feed her, take my shower, and eat. And that's pretty much it for today. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. My little baby fell asleep.
Okay. We're far from where we started, when things were getting harder. I'm trying to feel your pain. I know I'm pretty stubborn, but you're also pretty